I'm gonna make some ranch out of goat cheese because we can't have cow dairy. So I crumbled up the goat cheese and I put some water in here, and you kind of mix it around until you get the consistency of buttermilk. So that's what I've done here. Now I'm gonna put mayonnaise. You want it to be almost half and half, maybe a third mayonnaise, 2/3 of the buttermilk. So it's pretty thick. Okay, now I'm going to add the seasonings. So I'm going to go ahead and put some onion powder, probably in this amount, maybe a half a teaspoon. Garlic powder. I don't want to put a lot of garlic powder because it hydrates, and then the kids say it's spicy. Savory, I've used dried cilantro, I've used parsley. Probably this is in place of the parsley. I like I don't know, handful. Okay, now some dill. I like a lot of dill. So you just use any ranch dressing recipe you find online, and then salt. I've already salted it a little bit, and I would put pepper too, but I don't have any right now. So we're gonna mix this around. Okay, so, and then it's best to let it set for a couple hours for the flavors to blend. I hope you enjoy it.